Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy. What? Really? Guys, look how pretty this packaging is. There's a little note here. Also has my name. Stigma, thank you so much. This is beautiful. I am so excited to unbox this. Let's open this little envelope. Let's see what we have in this envelope. They have their whole catalog here. There's also a little cute, the note says, Carolyn, welcome to Stigma family. Enjoy your Stigma goodies. XO. I haven't been this excited so long. Oh, I don't want to wreck the packaging. I'm being so delicate. Oh my god, I can't believe Stigma sent over so much stuff. I was not expecting this to be that much. Stigma brush cleaner. My brushes are filthy. I will definitely be using this a lot. Oh my god, Stigma, really? That is a lot. I'm doing a boomerang on my phone before I get started. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, I'll link that down in the bar below, and definitely go and follow me. And who knows, I might follow back. Now, time for the reveal of what is in this box. I am so excited to share this. Thank you so much, Stigma Beauty, for sending this over to me. I cannot believe this is like everything that you need to start your makeup kit. This is everything. So the first thing that I got, what is this? Sigma 3D HE blender. This is latex free if you're allergic to latex. I want to try this out for baking. What is that word? Try using this to bake under my eyes and using the sharp corner down here to bake to give that sharp contour. Next item is Sigma Flat 80 Flat Top Kabuki Brush, perfect for foundation, and this has won the Best Award by Allure, the beauty expert of 2016. Congratulations, Stigma. I always use my beauty blender for applying my foundation. I always want to try this out, so I'm very excited for this one. I've never seen anything like this before. This is the F56 highlighter brush. I'm so excited to test this out in my next video. The Stigma liquid pen eyeliner. I absolutely love. We have so much stuff. It's that nice felt tip. Using felt tips like that makes it a lot easier to apply and get that snatched winged out liner. Next thing we have is mascara. I love the holographic. These bristles are really small. We have another brush, this diffused crease brush, the E38. A soft bristled brush, perfect for going into your crease. If you guys want me to test out this Stigma collection, let me know down in the comments below. And this is an eyeshadow base primer, key nude color, and the bottom it displays the color. What is this? This is the Aura Powder Face Powder. Black packaging and holographic. Do you see that shine of that beautiful holographicness? Stigma, your packaging is everything. For their cleanser to clean my brush. I have so many filthy brushes that I haven't cleaned in about a month. It's gross. Now I can finally clean my brush the right way. Express brush cleaner. This makeup brush cleaner pad also has these little suction cups that you could attach this to your sink. This has all different textures on this mat to give your brush a deep cleanse, squeaky clean. I'm very happy that I could actually clean my brush and not have to break out. I think that's it. And the last thing, a shimmer cream. Oh, this is a highlighter. Looks like that nude pinky highlighter. That is very pretty. If you guys want me to test out these products, let me know down in the comments below and smash the like button to let me know. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit that little bell. Go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. That has a nice, oh fuck,
wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion.